We are opposing
Muktiar Legal Counsel Kabernita Rangsa Marak Jongkaseng Achik Conscious Holistically Integrated Krima ka Achik Kalapan Pau Kajing Pyrshah Jur Yekinong Ilam Kaseng Sanhima Voice of the People Party Halor Kajing Tmu Jongani Kaseng Ban Tuklar Yakarai Jongka High Court Halor ka Roster System Kajing Penbet Yekinong Tray Sorkar Ki Bade Ban Kiew Kerdan Haki Kam Ki Bakham Shajrong Kat Kum Ki Kendon Jongka State Reservation Policy Khasi Jenta Sao Percent Garo Sao Percent Bat Kiway Arpo persen. Syuaban pendap igi kam ki berang thali haki tanat babunjat jong ke sorkar jela. Kabernita armarak kalamaham baladaya muslia bat yaktat dintra yakni kekam kanwanra ikjingye per jingmut hapdeng ki nongshong shnong jong ka Meghalaya. Kalong bakajing lek jong ka high court kalong banyada bat ban penrenti ikjing pen Kiew kerdan yekinong tray sorkar kat kum ki kendon jong ka state reservation policy. Kalau ongru bakaseng Achik ke penremjur ya kejing temu jong ka VPP ban ketat ya kini kejing penbet jong ka High Court. Kalau ongru bakajing temu jong ka VPP kalong Pyrshah ya kerai jong ka High Court pedon burom. Kalau penpau ya kejing kermen bakani kejing temu jong ka VPP kanum pen Kiewen ya kejing mat jong perkat jong ki pai pa kani kejela kala penkut.
We are opposing the statement which was made in the Legislative Assembly recently by one of the MLA concerned in regard with the roster system, whereby he was protesting. He was protesting against the order passed by our Honorable High Court, whereby it has been stated that 40% of the job reservation is to be given to the Garo tribe as per the notification of 1972. As per the notification of 1972, and that the person concerned was stating to demonstrate some rally as the sign of the protest. But I want to say that that order has been passed by the learned High Court, and it is not passed by the legislative nor by the executive. It is passed by the judiciary, which is a very independent judiciary system, and which does not see and which does not consider anyone. And after the finding and research, after one PIL was filed by one of our sister, Garo sister, it was found that that since the inception of our Meghalaya statehood, the reservation policy which was meant for the Garo was not filling up to the mark, and hence, after thorough and careful examination of the findings and the document available in the hand, the learned High Court was pleased to pass the order, which stated that the 40% of reservation must be reserved for the Garo tribe. And I would also like to state that against the High Court order, legislative executive has no power, and if anyone is having any problem in regard with the order passed by the High Court, that order can be challenged only in the Supreme Court and not by the protesting or not by the rally. It is the outcome of the PIL that is filed by one Janir Armarak. Yes, this one, if anyone is not following or not agreeing to the order that has been passed by our learned honorable court, it will be in a contempt of court nature only. And if anyone can turn down that order, is only the Supreme Court and not by any vested person or any group who threat to demonstrate rally or protest in some way.